Hello, guys. We have some thunderstorms in Frisco. And the wind is starting to pick up. So there's not a severe weather threat. There's no severe weather. It's just a normal thunderstorm. So yeah. The heck was that? I don't know if something fell or what. That was not me. There's nothing on my trampoline. The lightning is like over there. Now here comes the wind. Yep, here comes the storm, guys. My tree's blowing. Do you guys hear the crickets right now? The crickets are making noises. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up again. Yeah, I see most of the lightning is over there. See, that's the branch I ripped off in one of my videos. My tree's dead. I don't know if it's fully dead. It doesn't the limbs haven't the inside hasn't it hasn't fully rotted yet. It hasn't fully decomposed. Oh my gosh. Tell me I caught that. Here comes the thunder. Look at how big this storm is. Look at that shelf cloud right there. Look at that. This is a big shelf cloud. Look at this. Well, here comes the wind. Sounds like an airplane. No, it's starting to rain. Sounds like an airplane going by. Huh. The thunder boom literally sounds like an airplane going by. Oh, there's another one. The lightning is in the clouds. It's not even touching the ground. It's lighting up the sky. It looks like it's teleporting from day to night in a split second. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I've seen lightning. Pretend this is the edge. Wow. Pretend this fence is the edge of the storm. Lightning can go out of the storm too. That's a crazy fact I've learned. Oh, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. I don't know if that was two thunder booms or an echo. Because thunder can make some really good echoes. There's the wind. I'm literally shaking because I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, now it's really starting to rain. I'm scared if lightning is gonna strike close to. Oh my gosh, there's the wind. Dude, those winds appeared so quick. Oh, dude, the winds from this and then start going like that. The winds are gonna get stronger as the storm gets closer. Oh my goodness. Look at my tree. Oh, dang. Look at that shelf cloud right there. Look at that. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude, the winds are really blowing now. Look at my tree. Look at those clouds. The storm could change into a severe storm. We don't know. But every time a storm blows in, stupid stuff always happens. Look at the trees. They're like bending over. Look at my tree. Look at that. The winds don't look strong on the winds don't look strong on camera, but in real life it is really strong. I'm sorry if the winds don't look that strong on camera. Oh my gosh, dude, that tree's like bending over so much. Look at that cloud. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the storm is getting like crazier. Oh my gosh, the wind's blowing in my face. That feels good. Wow. Dude, my tree. Look at my tree. Look. I don't know if you guys can see my tree blowing. Now you can see it blowing. It's hard to see. It's hard to see this tree shake on camera. Oh. You can like hear the whooshing of the leaves on that big tree over there. Oh my gosh. This is probably another dead tree in the neighborhood, and I'm one of them. Almost all the trees are, see, that tree's alive, 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 and then this tree's dead. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if you can't see my tree shaking, but it's really blowing. Oh, that was in the sky. Look, 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 look. The tree's shaking so bad. Oh my gosh. This has been going on now for like 10 minutes. Dude, the temperature just dropped. The temperature dropped like 15 degrees. Dude, the temperature actually dropped. Like, this is what happens during large storms. The temperature drops. Because of the water in the air makes the air cold. Look at that. I don't know if the storm has even reached us yet. There's another tree growing over there. Can't tell where it is, but it's over there. And it's a baby one. And guess what? It's already sick. Because I was like brown stuff on the leaves. Like when the leaves turn brown, that's a sign that it's getting sick. So hopefully it can fight off its defenses. There's also another one growing right there. Oh, there's lightning. That one's growing, but it's kind of like, the wood is like kind of like very hard. So I don't know if that one's gonna make it either. Let me show you the ways that this tree is dead, and it's not full. This tree, it's really hard to break because it hasn't fully decomposed yet. So first of all, the bark is completely off right there because of me. We trimmed a lot of branches. This tree used to be, do you remember when the like I posted that short of this branch being cut down? Not that, but right there. The tree was fully alive back then, but today it's just, oh! Now I saw that strike. Now that was in the clouds. Oh my gosh. It's still pretty windy out here though. I'm gonna try to walk around my backyard. What the heck? Look at that bug. Ew, what is that? No, come here, boy. Okay, guys, my mom's calling right now, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.